Children, I am here for to tell you about photography. You know, children, we have been talking about photography for last so many days, and during these days we have learned something about light, about science, about scientists, about the development of photography, about the result of photography, about the composition in photography. Today I will tell you with one new segment, that is difference between simple camera, SLR camera and digital camera. My dear children, as soon as the principle of light implemented in development in photography, then it was very fast stage. We found that some chemicals are there which is useful and it can be used as light reaction chemical. So first, when the light principle when the light principle comes, at that time we learn about photography by the help of pinhole camera. Nowadays, you will find digital camera which is far away from the pinhole camera. We cannot think even about that camera instead of the digital camera. We cannot think about pinhole camera instead of this camera. Those who are facilitated, they are having this camera also, and this is the camera stand where we used to put the camera, and by putting it you can just click the picture and that picture will be visible in the screen. This is digital camera. Now from pinhole camera it comes simple camera, field camera, fixed focus camera, SLR camera, TLR camera, miniature camera. Then we get digital camera and SLR, then DSLR. DSLR basically is, digital single lens reflex camera. It is nothing very special. SLR is single lens reflex camera as well as DSLR is digital single lens reflex camera. In pinhole camera as well as we are able to click a picture by using only tiny hole, there is nothing else. In the camera which is fixed focus or field camera, in that one we used to click the picture by the help of the camera, but in that camera the image is going to come very clear. Now from pinhole to fixed focus camera we have got a difference, that in pinhole camera there was nothing, only tiny hole was there, but in fixed focus camera we have got a lens which is fixed at the place of tiny hole, and we have got a camera which is called fixed focus camera. And after that we get TLR camera, in which there are two lenses. One lens is upside, one lens is at downside. Both the lenses work for different purpose of activity. As if you are clicking a picture, you have to see it from the top of the camera. It won't use to give the view at the back side. And at that time, when you are clicking, the another lens which is the below side, it used to allow the light to enter inside the camera. Now what difference we have got? We have got a difference between fixed focus camera and TLR camera is that in fixed focus camera, when you are clicking a picture, at that time at the upside of the camera there is a window by which we used to compose and view the object and click the picture. But in TLR camera, when you are clicking a picture, at that time you can able to view the object and click the picture, because in that camera both the things can happen together, because there are two lenses. One is upper side, another is below side. But what happens in this type of camera, the lens which was working, it was in that quality by which you cannot get many in your account for doing photography, because it used to give 12 photographs. So after 12 photographs you have to change it. Then it comes on 35mm film with that format, that is SLR camera. In SLR camera, what facility we get, that we are able to compensate the exposure, that is light. Light, light is a main factor of photography. And if the light is not there, if the light is not proper, it is useless to do photography. That is why it was very beginning, very first terms to take priority that in SLR type of camera, if you click a picture, you are going to get facility to compensate your exposure when the light is more or less. For this facility, the SLR camera counts big in market and it gives a very nice result. Okay. After that immediate we get a type of camera which is digital camera. In digital camera, what happens? We get a kind of facility in which without operating anything, the camera can access and give you the better result than any kind of camera. For that it becomes famous, and for this only we could able to do good photography in any light condition. Because you know children, in this type of camera, the facility is there that without any change you can take good picture without proper light, without proper shutter speed. This is, I am talking about digital camera. But you know children, when you are using digital camera, at that time, if your camera is not having that facility to compensate the shutter or aperture, then what happens? You won't be able to get good picture of movable object. You won't be able to get a good picture in very low light condition. In very low light condition, for movable object you can get the picture, but that picture will not be up to mark according to your wish, according to your photography purpose. It will be record only. So mind it, recording an image and doing photography is different. Okay. If you are attending a birthday, what is your purpose? To click the picture somehow. So the people will able to see later that this function occurred and is as a memory. But if you are doing good photography, for that case, in that time, when you are doing photography, you have to take care of light, composition and everything. Many times if you click a picture of your birthday at home, you will find that there are so many people and around the people only one candle is there, one light is there, by which you are not going to get the picture of that whole area. So what is going to happen? You are going to put it built-in flash, and in built-in flash you will find the sum of the people, those who are in front of the camera, they are coming. Rest all people, those who are at the back side or the main object, that is cake, balloons or toffees, they are not coming. Why they are not coming? Because light is unable to reach over there. So for recording that this function occurred, that cake cutting ceremony was there, and these all things, everything is alright. You have clicked a picture, you have got it, it will be in your record. But when you are doing photography, for to do good photography, you need to have a particular condition of light. If the light is not there, if the light is not proper, then you have to arrange it. So now the difference between TLR camera and SLR camera has come. That is, in SLR camera you are able to take or compensate the light. In digital camera it does automatically, and when it does automatically, your option becomes less. So again, digital SLR camera has come, in which you do not have to operate the lens, you do not have to operate the shutter speed. You will able to do it by soft touch button or regulate it from one button only. Is it? By one button, if you regulate or operate it, what is going to happen? Inside the viewfinder only or on the screen only, you will able to identify the aperture and shutter which you are using, how much light it is compensating, how much you need to increase or decrease at that time when you are doing the photography for that particular light condition. So it is helpful. So these all are the camera. But whatever camera you have, try to know about the camera and do photography. Once you will become great photographer. Thank you very much for today. Thank you very much. Stay at home and do well. Try to do better, and every day, at least every day, you try to do photography. One picture you click, only one picture you click. When you're going out, take your camera, take your mobile phone, click one picture. You will find at the end of the month you are having at least 30 pictures. If you are missing 10 days, you will have 20 pictures. Out of those 20 pictures, you will find out which is the better one. According to you, which is the better one, so others. So your friends, send us. We will rectify it. And you must take part in the competition which take place every month. Click of the month, you must send your picture in our click of the month competition and do photography. Take care. Thank you very much for today.